These sweet, fruity frozen yogurt bites are sure to become your new favorite snack, day or night. And the best part is, you can make them in a snack and keep them on hand for when you're craving a frosty treat. Ever since the Froyo craze hit, I have had a major love affair with frozen yogurt. I mean, Pinkberry, come on! Soft-served frozen yogurt topped with fresh fruits, so good. Well, I have a quick fix for whenever you're craving those flavors, and you only need 3 things: yogurt, fruit, and silicone cups. So we're just gonna start by taking our silicone cups, and you can find these at any bake shop. We're just gonna fill them with our yogurt 1/3 of the way up. And what's great is you can use any flavored yogurt. I'm using all natural plain yogurt. For this one, I'm definitely doing blueberry and mango because that is where it's at. So just a couple pieces of fruit. You wanna press them in, but don't let them get submerged. It looks prettier that way because you can see the little bits of fruit. This looks so good. And then I'm just gonna put our silicone cups onto a baking sheet. It just makes it easier to transport to the freezer, but just make sure that your baking sheet can fit. Otherwise, you can just lay them all in there. I even found these really cute silicone cups that are shaped like a heart. All right, I'm gonna keep going until I fill the entire sheet tray and then pop it in the freezer overnight. These yogurt bites look so pretty. Which one should I eat? I think the blueberry and mango. Oh, and they pop out so easily from the cups. Look how pretty that is. These are so good. I love the sweet, creamy yogurt and the icy fruit. These are almost too easy to eat. Kid-proof and adult-approved. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Pop Sugar Food. And I would love to know if you guys have any favorite frozen treats in the comment box below. I'm Brandy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.